Hey guys, it is Janice from Ultra Trendy. I hope you are doing well. Today I am doing an unboxing of Myvitamins. If you all don't know what Myvitamins is, it is absolutely one of the best vitamins to get all your healthy vitamins and all your supplements, and I've been with them for some time now, and I love the collections. So right now I'm actually going to unbox this one. So I already did take this cover off already. So this one is the Easter edition. So I know Easter's gone, but I did end up buying this for Easter. So I just thought I'll do a video, guys, but I know it's a bit late. Obviously Easter's finished now. So I just thought I'll come on here and just show you. So I did take it off already. So this is the ultimate collection of the Delicious Beauty bestsellers. So this one is all about hair and nails, and if you're something like me, I love to take care of my hair and my nails, and I just love anything that's just beauty in it. So yeah, so let's get right into it. So guys, this is the packaging. Lovely box, absolutely love the box of this. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, it is so neatly packaged. As soon as I got this, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. I love all the miniature sizes. So in here we have the hair and skin nails gummies. So this is with zinc to support your hair and skin and nails, and you get 60 gummies in this, and this is the blueberry one, and this has all of vitamin C, vitamin E, and with me, I love anything with gummies. I do have the supplements to it, so I literally have all of them, but I do wanted to try out some of the gummies. So yeah, let me see what this is like. So it does smell nice, guys, like really nice. So yeah, let me try this. Oh my god, so nice, guys, really nice. I literally can just eat the whole lot of this because it just smells so nice, and it's blueberry as well. Blueberry is like my favorite. So yeah, this really helps to support your hair and the nails. Literally has everything in it, and you get 60 gummies in this, and yeah, really nice. And actually you consume 2 gummies daily. With me, I literally can just go, I can easily eat all the whole of this, but I'm gonna not do that. So yeah, let's see what else have we got. So we have this cute little mini, cute little mini lemon drizzle cake flavour. Now this sounds really nice. And this is got enriched with added collagen, hyaluronic acid and retinol. Obviously this is really good for your skin, and you know, when it comes to having the nice cake flavour, I just thought this is something different. And it's got high in fibre, 7.4 grams of protein and natural sugars. So yeah, so let's go and try this. If I can get it open. At the end. So actually it smells really nice, this, guys, like really, and it's like so cute. It's like onto a little ball. How cute is that? So so this is the lemon drizzle cake flavor. So I'll just have a little bite of this. Really nice. It does, oh my god, this is so nice. This is like lemon cake. Well, it is lemon cake. But yeah, this is really nice, guys. You can literally eat this all day. Really nice. So I really like that one. Obviously it's all the healthy one. It's literally got all the protein in here and the fibre, vitamin C and vitamin A. So yeah, this is a really nice cute little snack. So then we have this little cute one too. So this is the salted caramel almond flavour. Now that sounds really nice. So this is the enriched with added collagen, hyaluronic acid and retinol. This is 6.4 protein grams. natural sugars, and it's got high in fibre. As soon as I saw this, I thought, oh, this looks really nice. So I have to try this. So let's taste this. Yep, it is the same as the other one. I just love it when it's like cute up in the little cute ball. I thought that's actually cute. No, that's nice. I do like caramel flavours. Anything caramel, but this is like a really nice salted one. Really nice. So that's really nice there. So, what else have we got in here? Literally, I just love the packaging here. I just think it's so cute. I literally just love it all. I just love how they packaged all this. So this one they added is the collagen powder. This has all the proteins and stuff. You can actually mix this with powder, and actually this is a peach tea, so all you can do is add water to it. So I thought this was actually really cute. I really like this one, so I might try this later. So this one has got all the ingredients in it. It's got all your natural sweeteners, and yeah, I thought this was really nice, so I like this one. And then we have, now this is really nice. So this is the Beauty Collagen Shot. So I thought this is actually really nice. This has got 5,000 of marine collagen and 25 milligrams of hyaluronic acid. And the flavour on this is the coconut and pineapple flavour. As soon as I saw this, I thought, yes, I need to try this. Really need to try this. So I'm just gonna have a little sip of it. I did open it before because I couldn't get it out before. So yeah, let's give this a go. Yeah, it smells really nice. You can actually smell the coconut and pineapple in here, like really nice. I love that. That tastes really nice, guys. Like that tastes so nice. And this got with zinc to support the health in the hair and the nails, obviously. But yeah, this is a really nice one, so I'm going to finish the rest of this one later. And then we have the other one is the lemon. So let me see if I can try this one. So this is the same one, 5,000 milligrams of marine collagen, and this is the lemon flavor. So these are like all like little samples that they put in it, and if I like any of them, I literally will just buy like the loads of them, because I think on the website they do have like a stack of them. So if I like them, I might try and buy the whole lot, so we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna try the lemon. No, that tastes nice. It tastes like you can actually smell the real lemon in this one. Like I really like this one. That's really nice. I feel it's got like a taste of like a sparkling to it, kind of like a 7-Up drink. But yeah, this is really nice. I like this one. Really nice. So then, what else have we got in here? This is the plant collagen, so a nice little sachet that you can add to your, to your drink. So yeah, I like this one. This is a cute little sachet with vitamin C, contributing to normal collagen formation, vegan friendly, and the flavour in here is the lemon lime flavour. So kind of tastes like, no, that one's the coconut and pineapple, but this one, yeah, similar like this one, but this one's added a lime to it, so a bit of a tang to this one probably. So I might try this one. And then as soon as I saw this, I thought I need to try this. So this is the Candy Kittens sour watermelon sour cream. Candy Kittens sour watermelon. Gourmet Sweets of London, and it's palm oil free vegan recipe, and I quite like this. I've never tried this, but I did see this on some of the websites, and this one's got made with watermelon, palm oil free and carbon neutral. So yeah, This has got like a fruit gum with 10% of watermelon juice, so that sounds pretty nice. So I might give this a try. Let's see. Actually, it does smell really nice, and it's so cute. It actually is the shape of a kitten, like a little cat. I thought that was so cute. So let's give this a try. Oh, that's nice. It reminds me of you know, those pick and sweets that you can get in some of the shops. Like you just kind of pick some of the sweet. That's what it reminds me of. Reminds me of my childhood. I quite like this. Really nice. Couldn't eat this all day. I'll hold off that. But yeah, guys, that's everything in the unboxing of the Myvitamins that I got. I really like this one. I thought this was actually really nice. It does have I'll put all the link in the description of the Myvitamins website, and they literally have everything on there, you name it. You know, this really I take a lot of care of my health, so you know, it's not just on the outside, but I really take care of the inside. And you know, after a workout, and then I have my protein shakes, and sometimes I have my organic meal replacements. So you know, I like to incorporate all in that. So yeah, you know, like I said, I do want to show you also what I've been adding to my diet. So this one, I have the multivitamins. I've been taking loads of this. So this is 90 tablets, A to Z multivitamins. It's got literally everything in here. So this one on here on the website, you know, comes with all the blends of all the minerals, and it says that these tablets contain vitamin A to maintain eye health, and iron to support all the function and reduce feelings of tiredness. I tend to be really tired nowadays, so, and also has all the vitamin C, the bone health. So definitely I always take some of these into my diet. And then what else do we have? Vitamin D. I take this every day. As you know, I'm from the UK, you know, and sometimes we do have the a bit of the cloudy weather, but you know, depending in the summer, we have a nice summer, so obviously we don't get as much vitamin D as we would like. So I just add this to my diet. So this one is to support the health of your bone and the muscle function. So, and you literally have 180 soft gels in here. So I thought I'd get some of this. So I really like this one. And then what else do I have? So I have another one of another collagen that really takes care of like your skin and nails. So this is the coconut collagen. So this is like all in one. And I really like this one because I really literally love coconut. So I do have capsules that are just pure plain coconut, but when I saw this, I thought, oh, this is really nice. Coconut and collagen, nice blended together. So I thought this is really nice. So I really like this one. I take this every day. And then what else do I have? The last but not least, I take my vitamin B12. So this one is, how much is this? This helps reduce tiredness and obviously your energy. And you know, what else does it say? Yeah, like literally this really helps functions in the body, and I am a bit of deficiency of the vitamin B12, so I take this every day, and you get 60 tablets in here. So yeah, this is literally everything that I take every single day, so yeah, you literally don't miss it. But yeah guys, that is everything that I want to show you. But I will leave a link in the description of the website, and definitely check it out guys. I really love it personally, and definitely it's affordable price. You know, I thought, you know, the prices are very affordable. And yeah guys, literally this is everything. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you like any of these videos, then leave a comment down below and let me know what are your favorite multivitamins. What do you guys take? I'd love to hear your comments. And I definitely look, you know, really important is to live healthy and enjoy every single day of life. And literally I take care so much of my body, and it does make you feel so much alive and so much full of energy. So yeah guys, so let me know in the comments what is your favorite, and if you like this video, again, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.